How to fix can't install app problem on your Google Play Store. Hello guys, welcome back to this new tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. So all what you have to do is open this settings on your phone, go to the apps, and now open the apps manager. Click on the Google Play Store and click on this storage right here. This is the most important step. Click on this clear cache option and then click on clear data. From here click delete to delete all these files and settings and accounts, and click delete. After that, go back, click on the data usage option, scroll down, disable all those three options and enable them again, and now restart your phone and reopen the Play Store and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.